recuperating after undergoing 3 cycles of chemotherapy for a malignant tumor between his lungs. Indian cricketer received an inspiring video message from his real-life hero, Lance Armstrong, the cycling legend whose own successful battle with cancer is well documented. Very special and inspiring message from my real-life hero, tweeted Yuvraj, along with a link to the message from the cyclist who won the Tour de France a record 7 consecutive times after having survived testicular cancer. In the 19-second video, Armstrong urged Yuvraj to keep moving forward optimistically. Hi I am Lance Armstrong and welcome home. Man, you have got one big following. I have heard about you every hour of every day since you have been diagnosed. We are pulling for you. So glad you are healthy now. Have a great life. Don't look back. Live strong, buddy, said the 40-year-old American. Armstrong was 25 when he was diagnosed with stage 3 testicular cancer, which spread to his lungs, abdomen, and brain. Armstrong was given less than a 40% survival chance by his doctors, but he battled out of it successfully to not just survive but also renew his career as a cyclist. The 30-year-old Yuvraj, who will return to the country on Monday, was discharged on March 18th from a hospital in the United States. Thousands of well-wishers have sent messages to cricketer who is known for his aggressive batting and disciplined spin bowling.